Hey, this is Manny Fresh for another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to upload HD videos in Facebook through your mobile phone. If you didn't know, there's a setting in Facebook that allows you to increase the quality of your videos once you upload them to Facebook. And I'm gonna take you right through that right now. Basically, first open the Facebook app. Once you open the Facebook app, you click on the right where you see the three lines, and then you want to scroll down over to settings and privacy. Click settings and privacy until it expands. Then you want to go ahead and click on settings, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down until you get to media and contacts under videos and photos. You click that. So generally your settings should be like that, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enable video settings, upload HD, and if you want to do the photos as well, you go ahead and enable it by flipping the switch. Now I have an iPhone XR. If you have an Android device, you can follow the same steps. And if you want to manage the autoplay, you could do it either on Wi-Fi or both mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. So once you enable the upload HD, the next time you upload a new video, it will be uploaded with the quality that it was recorded. So if you were uploading videos and the quality was fuzzy, then this is the reason why. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.